Alright, so it's day 6 of trying everything in the vending machine, and we have a dilemma. The chocolate chip cookies that used to be here are all gone, and we're at the last bag of hot fries. I already know what hot fries taste like, so I'm not like too excited to try this. I want to try something a little more interesting. It is the last one, so I do want to at least try it. I think what I'm going to do is the Ritz Bites with an apple juice. As you can see, like everything else is gone here too. Crazy. Must have been a busy weekend. Nice. Okay. And the apple juice is A2. So yeah, right now it is raining, so I had to find a new spot to eat these. Reese's Cheese Bites and apple juice. Something feels really nostalgic about this. Oh yeah. This is making me happy. Legit, even though I have a kid, I don't drink apple juice or I don't buy apple juice. So it's going to be years since I've had apple juice. Yeah. I don't know how much actual apple juice is in it. God damn, that's a lot of carbs. More than a soda. What the? It's wild. That's wild. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie. The apple juice and these crackers, perfect pairing. I'm really happy about this. There's something about synthetic cheese. Yeah, this is great. We'll see what happens tomorrow.